Thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Yugenn, also known as Bree. You can call me either or. And yeah, this is it. Yep, this is my channel. Thanks for coming. Oh my god, I thought I got rid of my cringiness, but I really just did not. I didn't. By the time of this video, let's just, you know, start talking about it, I guess. On my last video, I made a what's on my iPhone 11 video. This one right here, yes. And a lot of people were asking about my screensaver, this one, and they wanted to know like where I got it, how I found it, blah blah blah. But if you watch the whole video, you would see that I made it. Didn't find it anywhere. I made that thing myself, period. Endpoint.com. Yeah, but I made it. You know, a few people asked about it, so you know, I think I'll make a video about how I made it, since you know you seemed interested. I don't know if you still are, but you know, if you are interested, but I mean, yeah, just stay tuned if you want to see how I made this screensaver. Got that over with. Okay, so let's start screen recording and then we're gonna get into it. Oh look, we're screen recording, and then you see the screen. And now so first, I'm not gonna make the same one. I'm going to make something different. And also just wanted to make a quick commentary. If you did just watch my what's on my iPhone 11 video and you're looking at my screen now, you see that there are a lot other different apps on here. And if you like, I can make an updated what's on my iPhone 11 video, because that one was filmed in January, and you know, I just posted it because I'm lazy. I'm not gonna lie. If you want me to make an updated one, I can, but right now we're just gonna focus on creating this screensaver or lock screen or whatever. So first we start off with going on Pinterest, just right here. And as you can see, I have a lot of things that I like to look into. Yeah, I'm not even gonna go into it, but Pinterest is awesome for inspiration, creativity, and everything. So we're just gonna search up something. So I don't remember what exactly I searched up to find what I found. I think I was just looking for like aesthetic screensavers. So let me just go on to that. Go aesthetic wallpaper iPhone. Okay, so we're gonna look for something that's, oh yeah, see, so I kind of got inspired by this. I mean, I don't remember looking at that, but that looks nice too, so I would use that. But we're gonna find a character like before, and this is nice, but I don't know what I can quote it. That's another thing. I'm gonna save this real quick though to my arts. Rolling with my homie, that's cute as hell. Gonna save that one, because who doesn't like Lion King? Oh, I really like this one. I feel like I can put like something really funny right above it if I choose that one. I think I will just choose that one. And then Hakuna Matata. That's funny. Or this one. Okay, let me just stop. I already chose what screensaver I want to choose, but like I'm just looking at these and I'm like, that's cute too. And now we're just gonna look for funny aesthetic quotes or something. I could just do "it's locked" again, or I don't know. Let me see. Better get your shit together. Surprise, bitch. Ah, I know what I'm gonna quote it now. Wait. But is that even, I don't even know if this picture goes with it. Let me see. It doesn't. God. See, this is hard. It's time consuming. Let me think.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Sorry about that. I know it took a really long time, but I finally decided which one I'm going to use. I'm just going to use another Powerpuff character. Powerpuff character. Looks like it's Bubbles, but black, which I'm digging. I'm digging you. Okay, let me stop. So I just want to see if I can get the full picture without having to like screenshot and crop it. So let me see if I could do that. go wherever this was found. Okay, no idea what's going on there, but I'm gonna have to just screenshot and crop it. I don't want to. Okay, whatever. So I'm gonna have to go and crop it. Which I really don't want to do. So what am I gonna do here? Let me try to fix it as much as I can. So we're gonna crop this. Cropping. I just don't want to crop out any of the good stuff. So what I might do is keep that little round circle thing, because if I crop it this much, then it's only gonna have her head and it's not gonna look as nice. So I want to keep the full body. So I'm gonna do it like that. And we're just gonna have to ignore the little circle thing in the bottom. Or you can put like a little stamp. You know, once I get in there, I'll show you how to put like a little stamp. But yeah, so now that we have our picture and everything, let's move on to adding text. And I already have something in my head because I was looking at a few of the photos that we're scrolling through, and I was like, yep, I got what I want to put. I mean, it's kind of similar to what I already have, but a little spicier. Photos and videos, and I'm going to use an app called Over, which is what I use to add text and everything over stuff like that. So usually you have an option of like using a template like this, or you can add your own. So you can go to blank, like a transparent white black background, or you can just pick something from your gallery, which I'm going to pick from my gallery. I'm gonna pick the one that I cropped already. We're just gonna choose this size because it's the original size, and we want to keep it that way so it can fit on our lock screens. And now we're just gonna go to text. Okay, and then what was I gonna choose? Kind of long, but I like it, so I'm gonna use that. Just gonna save this. This is not going to be the font that I use. I'm just putting this here for right now to position it. So we're going to position it this way, and then you can always choose a different one. Let me just, first I'm going to style it. So you go to shadows, because I like when there's like a shadow behind the font. So I'm going to go to angle. Angle automatically brings the shadow up, and now it just looks a little bit more professional like with the shadow behind it. That's how I feel personally. And then let me go to opacity, which makes the shadow darker. I'm gonna put it like here, and then I like to blur the shadow as well because I don't like it always super defined. And then I'm going to space it out some. No, I want it down. And yep, no, yeah. I think we're gonna make it smaller so it could fit on one line. Yeah. I'm gonna make it smaller like that. And we're going to change this font if I can find a better font. Don't know if I will be able to. Because this one is kind of limited on what fonts you can use, basically because you have to pay for better fonts. So it's gonna be a little tricky. I like this. And because I chose a different font, I'm gonna have to make this bigger. Then the style, we're gonna do that little circle effect thing that you saw on my other one. So let me go to that and go to curve. And then it shows you that there's like a U, and then there's like an upside down U. So, you know, you go this way if you want to be like, oh. You go this way if you want it to be up, and then you go the opposite way if you want it to be down. So I just want it to be round enough where it could fit over her head like a rainbow per se. Yeah, move this down. I'm gonna make this bigger with my fingers. There we go. Yeah. And I'm trying to think, like, how does my font look again? I can't remember. I'm gonna take the screen recording off real quick so I can see how my font looks because I can't remember. Okay, so my screensaver has black font, black writing, and a white shadow behind it. So what we can do is we can leave it like this, or if you want it to be the black one with a white background, I can show you how to do that too. So let me do that real quick. Right now we're on the words, so we're gonna go to color and we're just gonna click black because it's already a basic suggestion. And then we're gonna go back to shadow, and then we're gonna go to color, and we can change it to white, which is very simple. And I think I actually like this more. It goes together with everything. Yeah. And then let me just change the angle and everything because I don't like how it looks now. Now that the white is added, that looks better. Just still gonna make this a little bit bigger. Like that. And then I'm just gonna put a period. So what I did was just double tap the screen to bring back this, so then I can add a period to it. I'm gonna go check and done. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And also the stamp. So what we can do about the stamp, let me just press the check mark. The check mark confirms that you're finished editing these words specifically. So you'll just press the check on there and then you're done. And then you can also ask for shapes, but that is a part of the paying thing, so we're not gonna use that. I'm gonna go to text. And then I can just go to an emoji. And I'm gonna use the middle finger. Gonna use the middle finger. Look, that looks perfect right there. It's just how I'm just naturally talented, you know. I can't do anything about it. It's just me how I am. It's just how I am. I'm Larry. Not really, but let's move this down here. We're gonna make it bigger, not too big, and we're just gonna put that there. But then I don't want the shadow to be on the middle finger either, so we're gonna go to the shadow and we're gonna just go to off. There. That looks kind of random, I'm not gonna lie. Looks kind of random, like really. There is something else we can do, which is a really extra step, but we're gonna do it anyways. And if you don't want to save it, you'll just press the X right here and discard the changes, and then you're back to this. So let's save this. Save. Okay, so now we're gonna go to Facetune. This is my face. Say hey, hey, you cute or whatever. All right. And let me go to photos. Gonna go to the recent ones. Surprise, bitch. It's locked. And then for here, this is what people use if you want to like cover up like a pimple in your face. Ooh, my thing's about to cut off. Sorry if the angle changed a little bit. I had some trouble with the, you know, and yeah, you feel me, but whatever. My screen recording had stopped because everything wanted to be a booty hole, but I'm back. Okay, so we're at Facetune, and what I'm about to show you is what people pretty much use to cover up pimples on their faces and stuff, or just like patch something out. So we're gonna go to patch right there, and then you just click patch, and see these two circles, it automatically makes a patch for you, but we're going to drag it down, drag this one down, and use, hopefully it'll work. I made it bigger, then I can do like that. So now see, the hole was there and now it's gone. And then we're just gonna move this one to match the color, and look, it's gone. Yeah, okay, I did all of that for no reason, but we're done, and this is pretty much our screensaver. And then all you have to do is just save it to your camera roll. It's in your camera roll. You know how to make it your lock screen. I hope you do. I hope you don't need a tutorial on how to place it as your lock screen. You can also use that same app to make like thumbnails or ads or like promos or anything, or like say if you want to just take your own picture and like jazz it up for Instagram and like add like your name so you can make sure that no one takes your photo and catfishes you. You can do a lot of things with it, so just make sure you use it responsibly. I don't know what the I'm trying to say. If you do want another video on how I make my thumbnails, as far as using that app, you can request that, you know, in the comment box. You know, I'm watching all of them. But I mean, you saw how I use it, so it's pretty much the same exact thing. But if you do want like more details on how a thumbnail can be created by it, like this one per se, or that one right there, or no, I'm just playing. Okay, but yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about the video. Let me know what you liked, and let me know what you didn't like. If you have any video suggestions for the future, please comment those down below as well. Make sure you follow me on my socials, and I hope you guys are having a great rest of your day during this quarantine, because my goodness, my goodness. But thanks for watching, you guys. Peace out.